Experience metrics can be described as analytical practices. We have established their functions in the CEJ model stages, as well as their rationale within CSR analytical methods and measures. Let's explore some of the customer experience metrics. Customer satisfaction surveys. Customer satisfaction is a top priority. Satisfaction taps into the customer's wants and desires, not simply whether needs are met. Customer satisfaction is a metric for comparing performance against plans and peers over time. So it's no surprise that several versions of customer satisfaction surveys exist. Different data collection formats can be adopted to suit the research objectives. Customer satisfaction survey formats are either in-person or mediated through instruments designed as choices, scales, essays, diaries, blogs, images, videos, or focus groups. All versions of customer satisfaction surveys can be supplemented with usage frequency, dollar spending, media usage, and demographic questions. Overall customer satisfaction, CSAT score. CSAT measures and analyzes level of happiness with service experiences across touchpoints. CSAT surveys utilize some variation of the question, how would you rate your overall satisfaction with the products or services you received? The customer then chooses a rating based on 1 to 5 scale. 1. Very unsatisfied. 2. Unsatisfied. 3. Neutral. 4. Satisfied. 5. Very satisfied. Satisfied customers are those who choose a rating of 4 or above. To calculate CSAT score, take the number of satisfied customers and divide it by the total number of survey respondents. Then, multiply that number by 100 to get a percentage. The brevity of the CSAT survey can make for high response rates, but the small range of the scale can be limiting. Customer satisfaction by service attribute and touchpoint category. Customer satisfaction surveys to measure and analyze specific aspects of the service experiences improve the precision of customer service planning. Aggregate customer satisfaction indexes. Often, aggregate measures and analysis of customer satisfaction are used as secondary data sources for developing primary data survey measures. These widely accessible indexes can aid with comparative benchmark analysis. The areas of measurement include geography, industry, demography, and brand or service category. Net Promoter Score, NPS. The Net Promoter Score, NPS management tool was developed and trademarked by Fred Reichheld, Bain & Company, and Satmetrics. The NPS can be calculated by asking customers to rate their level of satisfaction using a 0 to 10 rating scale with a simple question such as, how likely are you to recommend this service or product to a friend? The customers are then categorized into 3 groups according to their responses. Promoters, 9 to 10, passives, 7 to 8, and detractors, 0 to 6. The NPS score is determined by subtracting the percentage of detractors from the percentage of promoters. Companies often use NPS as a means of predicting growth, as a high score would indicate that customers will be recommending their products or services to a fellow customer. Customer Effort Score, CES. The measurement and analysis of customer effort stems from extensive analysis of results from another experience metric, the Customer Effort Score. The CES measures user experience with a product or service. Like the NPS, the CES utilizes a ranking scale, but in this case, it ranges from very difficult to very easy. The single question, single scale simplicity of CES makes it easy to measure and analyze.